All right, today I'm going to show you how to use dishwasher gel. I'm going to show you how to use dishwasher gel in this dishwasher right here in order to wash the dishes and get them thoroughly clean. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so here is my dishwasher right here. You can see the dishwasher in here. And right here, I have all sorts of dirty dishes in here. They're fully loaded. I have some crud on all of the dishes right there. I have all sorts of things going on in here, dirty dishes. Now, I'm gonna use gel. This right here is Cascade Complete, all right, a really good gel. And what I do is I take the gel, and if you look at your dishwasher, there should be a compartment to add detergent. Some dishwashers have two compartments for adding detergent. This one, however, only uses one. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill this one up with detergent, the gel detergent. Now, if you have two, one of them will be, more than likely, a pre-wash compartment, and the other is the main wash compartment. So this one right here only has a main wash compartment, but they also have levels to this right here. So it has 15 and then 25. I guess that is for the different amounts that you can put in there. So I'm just filling up the main compartment because that's all that it has. And then all I'm gonna do is close this and then put back the gel and put the cap back on so it stays secure. And then come back here, make sure it's closed, and then go ahead and make my selection for the dishes to be cleaned. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start it just like that, all right? And that, well, almost started. And that's how you use Cascade gel, all right? That's how you use dishwasher gel inside of a dishwasher. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.